Keep the camera perpendicular to the paper. The distance between the camera and the machine is 550 millimeters high. The canvas size needs to be changed to 430 millimeters by 430 millimeters. In the serial port log, enter 130 equals 430, 131 equals 430. After entering, you need to enter again 130, 131. Here you need to adjust the ratio to 95% and confirm the engraving position with the border. Click Engraving here, the machine will start running. Wait for the machine to complete the work. Click Next Step in the software to enter the capture image, and click Capture to capture the engraving target in the canvas on the right. Click Next Step again to enter the target mark page. At this time, you need to double-click the center point in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4 until the entire process is completed. Click the camera to capture a picture into the canvas. The canvas size is the engraving size of our machine. Import the file to be engraved for engraving. It is necessary to ensure that the engraving position is consistent with the canvas position to be considered visually aligned successfully before the batch filling function can be performed. First, place the consumables to be engraved. Click the camera and capture a picture on the canvas. Place the materials that need to be filled in batches on a consumable, click Batch Fill, and wait for them to be recognized on each consumable. Set parameters. Click on the border. Click on Engraving. The machine starts running. Wait for completion to view the effect diagram.